Want to boost your online business revenue? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're speeding through the digital highway, armed with 10 powerful tips to rev up your online earnings. So buckle up and let's dive into these top 10 tips. Starting off at number 10, know your audience. Knowledge is power, they say, and in the world of online business, knowing your audience is the key to unlocking that power. Understand their needs, their desires, their pain points. Tailor your offerings to meet these needs and see your revenue soar. Moving on to tip number 9, use social media strategically. Don't just post for the sake of posting. Analyze your audience's online behaviors, engage them in meaningful conversations, and use your platform to provide value. And tip number 8, optimize your website for search engines. Make your business visible to the world. Use keywords effectively, improve your site's loading speed, and ensure it's mobile friendly. That's just the start, let's keep going. Coming in at number 7, create high quality content. Content is king, they say, and they're not wrong. Quality content can set you apart from your competition, drive traffic to your site, and convert visitors into customers. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or infographics, make sure your content is engaging, relevant, and valuable. Moving on to number 6, use email marketing effectively. Email remains a powerful tool for reaching your audience. Personalize your messages, segment your audience, and don't forget to test your campaigns for the best results. And at number 5, offer excellent customer service. It's not just about attracting customers, it's about keeping them. Provide a seamless customer experience, respond quickly to queries, and go the extra mile to make your customers feel valued. We're halfway there. Let's move on to our top 4 tips. At number 4, we have leverage analytics. Don't underestimate the power of data. It's like a compass, guiding your business in the right direction. Analyze your customer behavior, understand their needs, and adjust your strategies accordingly. It's a journey of continuous learning and improvement. Moving on to number 3, promote customer reviews and testimonials. Social proof is a powerful tool in the digital world. Encourage your customers to share their experiences. Positive reviews not only build trust, but also boost conversion rates. At number 2, we suggest use a reliable e-commerce platform. This is your base camp, your business's digital home. Choose a platform that's secure, user-friendly, and offers excellent customer support. And now for our number 1 tip to boost your online business revenue. And finally, our number 1 tip, constantly test and adapt. The digital world is ever-changing, and so should your strategies. This means testing your methods, measuring the results, and tweaking as necessary. It's all about evolution, not revolution. And there you have it, 10 fantastic tips to supercharge your online business revenue. From knowing your audience to effective marketing and the ultimate tip of constant adaptation. Remember, success in online business comes from a mix of knowing your audience, effective marketing, and constant adaptation. Good luck, and here's to boosting your online business revenue.